to use the book in car smart scheduler in Colibri, you choose a student file, you go on course plan and progress, and from here you click on the button book in car appointment. By default, the system will allow you to book the next in-car appointment in order. You can choose some specific information such as the language, if you want to look for a specific instructor, or if students have multiple package, you can select the package you want to book. Then you click search. The system is going to match the student availability with the instructor availability. And from here, you can click next to see more option, or and you can click the little crochet here to book the one you choose. You will see a successful message on the right top corner once it's done, and you can look as well on the student file. You will see the booking appear on the student file.